Hello students and parents, and in this video lesson we are going to be going over our math lesson from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So today all we were doing was practicing subtraction and addition because we're going to be moving into another topic here tomorrow. So we were just finishing up with some addition and subtraction problems. I will be doing this throughout the school year as well. It's not the end of addition and subtraction, but just our introduction of these two operations will be done for this week. But we will continue to use addition and subtraction throughout the school year. And it's a very important thing that we need to know. It's the main idea for all mathematics as your child or students are going to be moving on up in older grades. So let's go and get started. So we're going to do two problems here. So I'm going to split my page in half. So the first problem we're going to do is subtraction, and the second problem is going to be addition. So for the first problem, we have this boy named Timmy, and Mr. Timmy is going to the store, and he is going to buy some milk for his house because he's out of milk and he needs more milk. Okay, so first things first, we're going to draw this many gallons of milk because when he gets to the store, he's like, you know what, I'm really thirsty for some milk and I need a lot of it because I'm going to make some cakes and I need a lot of milk for these cakes. So he is going to buy 5 gallons of milk. Oops, not there. Okay, 5 gallons of milk. Now that's a lot of milk. Then on his way back home, he's like, you know what? I'm getting a little thirsty. I don't know if I can make it, but wait, I have milk in my bag. I think I am going to drink some because I have milk. I might as well drink it before it goes bad. So Timmy decides to drink some of his milk, some gallons of milk. So he decides to drink this many gallons of milk. Okay, so now we need to figure out, okay, how many gallons of milk do we have left for Timmy to take home since he got too thirsty on the way back and he drank some milk. So for our first number that we're going to write here, I have 2 sentences. I have a subtraction sentence and an addition sentence. Now, the reason why we have 2 of them, for the first one, it's this is for our original problem, and then we check our work for subtraction with addition. Okay, that's what we're going to check our work with. And you can do the same with addition. When we do an addition problem, we could check it with subtraction, but usually we always check our work from when we do a subtraction problem with addition. So let's go ahead and plug in our numbers and see what we get. So for our subtraction problem, we start off with 5 and we take away 3. Now we need to figure out, okay, how many gallons of milk were left over after doing 5 and taking away 3. Okay, and then you're going to write your answer here. Then after you solve, you're going to plug in your numbers. So the number of gallons that he didn't drink plus the number of gallons he drank equals how many gallons of milk. That's what we should have here. And then this number should be the same as this one. If it's not, then something went wrong with your subtraction, and you might need to look over it again. Okay, so that's our subtraction problem. Now for our addition problem, we have another situation going on. So we have this boy named Jake, and Jake, he went to the store and he bought himself some Skittles. So I'm going to draw this little bag of Skittles. And in his bag of Skittles, he was counting them. He's like, you know what? I want to see how many Skittles actually come inside a bag of regular Skittles. So he opens up his bag and he sees this many of these colors. So let's see here. Let's do green. Let's do a brighter green. Skittles aren't dark. Okay, so he sees that he's got 4 blue Skittles. He has 5 green Skittles. And he has 3 yellow Skittles. Now, Mr. Jake here is trying to figure out how much he has in all the Skittles that he has. So he needs to create a addition sentence to go with his problem. So we're going to make a line, a plus sign, a line, a plus sign, another line equals our answer here at the bottom. So for these, you're going to plug in how many of each Skittle you have, how many blue, how many green, and how many yellow. And then you're going to find out your total here. How many total amount of Skittles you have after counting all of the Skittles inside of Jake's bag of Skittles. And that is going to conclude our subtraction and addition math lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I am here to help, and I will see you next time. Bye.